Hello everyone, I am Amrita Khemnani from MS School. I hope you all are safe at your home. In last video, we have completed one topic related to the Indian real heroes. Yes, I told you there are some bifurcations in the Indian real heroes like sport person, scientist, freedom fighters, etc. Sport person topic we have completed. Today we are going to start with the topic, and that topic is famous scientist of India who made India proud with their achievements and inventions and made India self-reliant to face any problematic condition in the country. So let's start. Today I will give you some information about the famous scientist of India. Let's start with the first scientist, and that is C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman was the first person to win Nobel Prize for India in physics. Let's get some more information about him. He was born on 7 November 1888 in Tamil Nadu. He topped at the University of Madras in physics at the age of 16. On 28 February 1928, he and his friend Krishnan have discovered a new modified way of light scattering. That light scattering effect is known as Raman effect. Yes, India celebrates this day as the National Science Day every year to make memorable this event because this is great achievement for India. In 1948, Raman has established Raman Research Institute where he worked his rest of the life. Government has honored him with Nobel Prize in 1930 and first Bharat Ratna Award in 1954. The last days of his life he spent in his institute with his followers by giving them guidance how to continue this institute in future. On 21 November 1970, he died at the age of 82. Moving further to the second scientist, and that is APJ Abdul Kalam. He was the aerospace engineer of India. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15 October 1931 in Tamil Nadu. He completed his studies in physics and aerospace engineering in Tamil Nadu. He was involved in India's space program and missile development program. Thus, he is known also as Missile Man of India. He has played a great role organizationally, technically and politically for the nuclear test in India, which was held in Pokhran in the year 1998. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th President of India from the year 2002 to the year 2007. Government has honored him with different awards like Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, and most importantly, he was awarded with Bharat Ratna Award in the year 1997. While delivering a lecture on 27 July 2015, he died due to cardiac arrest at the age of 83. Moving further, the next scientist, and that is Vikram Sarabhai. He was an Indian astronomer who started space research and had to develop the Indian nuclear power plant for India. He was born on 12 August 1919 in Ahmedabad. He attended Gujarat College, Ahmedabad, but later he shifted to England for higher studies in natural science. At the time of World War II, he returned back to India and studied under the guidance of the scientist C.V. Raman in the Institute of Bangalore. He established a committee for space research. Later, it was renamed as Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. ISRO is the Great Institute for Space Research. Vikram Sarabhai was largely responsible for establishment and development of Indian nuclear power plant for defense purposes. Government has honored him with Padma Bhushan Award in the year 1966 and Padma Vibhushan Award in the year 1972. Vikram Sarabhai was died on 30 December 1971 due to heart attack in Kerala. Next most famous scientist is a female, and that is Tessie Thomas. She is the first woman scientist who had missile project in India. She was born in April 1963 in Kerala. In school studies and in college studies, Tessie Thomas was involved in extracurricular activities also. She excelled in sports, especially in badminton sport. She has also done MTech in guided missile project and pursued PhD in missile project. She joined Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) in the year 1988 by APJ Abdul Kalam. She was placed in the Department of Missile Agni project. Later, she was appointed as the project director for the Missile Agni 4 and Agni 5, which was successfully tested in the year 2011 and 2012 respectively. Tessie Thomas is known as the Missile Woman of India for her contribution to make India self-reliant in the field of missile technology. Government has honored her with Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award, and DRDO Institute has honored her with Performance Excellence Award in the year 2011 and in the year 2012. The next famous scientist, and that is also a female, Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was the American astronaut engineer and first Indian woman to fly in space. Let's get some information about her. She was born on 17 March 1962 in Haryana. She got her bachelor's degree from Punjab Engineering College, India. For further studies, she moved to US to obtain her master's degree. In the year 1988, she has done with PhD in aerospace engineering. After getting the citizenship of US, she applied for NASA Astronaut Corps. She joined the Corps in the year 1995. Her first space mission was started on 19 November 1997. She was the first woman of India to fly in the space. She travelled around 15 days and 12 hours in the space. In 2001, Kalpana Chawla was selected for her second space flight, that was STS-107, along with 6 crew members. But this mission was delayed due to some technical problems. Finally, on 16 January 2003, the spacecraft went on research in space. While returning back, the flight got damaged and that destroyed the internal structure of spacecraft. As a result, the spacecraft broke down, and in that incident, Kalpana Chawla died along with her 6 crew members on 1st of February 2003. NASA has honored her with NASA Space Flight Medal. Last but not the least, the most famous scientist of India, and that is Ritu Karidhar. She is the scientist of ISRO Institute, Indian Space Research Organization Institute, that is very famous institute for space research. Let's get some information about Ritu Karidhar. She was born on 13 April in Lucknow. She has completed her studies of BSc and MSc in Lucknow. After that, she pursued for MTech in aerospace engineering. After completion of MTech, she got called from ISRO and she was selected for the job in ISRO Institute. She was appointed as the Deputy Mission Director of Mangalyaan-1, which was successfully launched on 5 November 2013. The great thing happened in her life. She was selected as the main mission director of Chandrayaan-2, and that was successfully launched on 22 July 2019. This is a very great thing for India, the great achievement for India. This was the first space mission which was headed by a woman. That's why Ritu Karidhar is known as the Rocket Woman of India. So here we have completed our second topic of Indian real heroes, and that was most famous scientist of India. In next video we will continue with the third topic of Indian real heroes. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.